What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Abby,
I'm
and
Jasmine.
what's your name?
Jasmine.
And we heartily welcome you guys to the Caribbean and to our container garden here in Trinidad and Tobago. We just got finished with penmanship for the day, and before I leave home once again to go and pick up a friend, I decided I'm going to just take a few minutes to do some potting up of some flowers. So I know I said that I wasn't going to bring home any plants from outside source and that I wasn't going to buy any soil, but I have an entire half of drum to full and I have no more compost, no more dirt here at the yardstead in order to fill up that container. And I want to get some beans planted, some more beans, some bush beans planted, and some other plants in that container. So I decided to buy some soil and mix it with the little bit of compost that I have. And when I was there, I came across this plant. I've never seen it before in real life, but it was labeled as a dahlia. Is that a dahlia, guys? Those of you who live in the US or these places where you hear about these flowers, is this truly a dahlia? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I just had to pick it up. And it was just a small fee, 15 TT dollars, which is about 2 US dollars for this plant. And I don't know how to take care of it, but I do know that I need to get it out of this little container that it came with. I had inside these self-watering plant pots. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pot up or up pot this dahlia into this container and hang it where it could be seen, where it could be beautiful. So the little bit of research that I did said that dahlia likes lots of sun and that it doesn't like lot of water. Now this pot is a self-watering pot. It has this little reservoir at the bottom where the roots of the plant could go down into that reservoir and tap into water if it needs to do so. But I am concerned that it might cause the dahlia to rot. Again, I'm not well versed. It's the first time I'm seeing the plant, but I'm really excited to do that because as you guys know, I want my yard to be beautiful as well as practical in bringing in some food. So I also got this begonia. It's two plants. It has a white flower. Be careful, my son. As well as a red flower. So I'm going to separate these two plants and plant them into some other pots. This came in a set of 5 and I'm going to hang them to distract from the bug netting. And I'm going to also take little cuttings from the little flowers that I do have in the yard stand in order to add pops of color along that bug netting just to distract from all that material going on there. So that's what I'm doing this afternoon, and I am going to be taking you guys along with me. Hope you enjoy it.
My mom got to the car for soil. I want to show you my penmanship. I start over 3 times. So I going to see it's the 3 little pigs. So I write the 3 little pigs.
You're complaining about the amount of time they make you write penmanship. Oh yes, Jasmine, you're too much. So guys, so I have the soil here, and it's what I normally buy. This is the Van Egmont. It's a 50-liter bag of soil, and it was relatively cheap. It was on sale for like $75. So I got me like about 3 of these to fill in that half a drum. But today I'm not gonna deal with the half a drum. We'll deal with that another day. You're showing them Jasmine penmanship too. So I'm just gonna fill in these pots and we're gonna pot up some flowers in order to hang on the greenhouse. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this wick on the inside of this pot so that it could feed that water up from the reservoir into the soil. So it's just a wick. I'm just gonna put it in like that. And I'm gonna put it back into that reservoir, lock it in. And now we're gonna fill it up with some soil. So this is how this is looking.
No.
So put a little bit of soil in there. And let's do the dahlia first. I'm excited about this plant. When I got all these plants, guys, I treated all of them for insects right away. The roots doesn't look very promising to me. Looks like it has a bit of root rot already. So just gonna tease that a little bit. Expose the new roots in there. And fat it up. On the horizon, there's some rain clouds. I can safely say that we're definitely in the rainy season now. We had a whole day event, rain yesterday, on and off. Not a washout, but it was a whole day event. Oh, this looks great. And it's my favorite color. It's red is my favorite color. So I am excited to have this plant if it truly is a dahlia. Um it feels very soft bodied. The stem feels like it can break super easy. Hmm. So that's one plant potted up. Hey guys, so this is the area that I was talking about that is a bit of an eyesore to me. Probably isn't to you on camera, but it is to me. So I got myself this plant hanger. Had it a while now. Really got it on sale. I think I paid less than $1 US for it. And initially I got it to hang it on the inside of the house, but I don't think that will ever happen because the inside of our home is pretty dark. So I'm just gonna use it. What are you doing with my soil? No, no, no. Go play. Go play. Don't play with my soil, okay? Love you. So I want to put the dahlia. I'm hoping it is a dahlia. I'm hoping that you guys tell me it's a dahlia. So I want to put this dahlia on the top here because my research said that it likes a lot of light. It likes a lot of sunlight. So I'm going to do that in this spot right here. Oh, I gotta figure this out. Right. Try not to damage the plant. Get this in this nook here. Yes. I want to angle this. So let's put back on this. Might not even need that. I just want to angle this dahlia so that it's facing me. So guys, this is my idea of trying to beautify this corner, kind of distract from all the cloth. So I have this um, plant pot hanger that I got myself. So I'm just gonna put reds because reds is my favorite color, and I'm gonna put both the red plants here to try and break up all this white from the bug netting. And let's see if I can adjust the camera so you guys can see it. I'll switch the camera around. So this is what I have in mind to break up all of that white right here. So I have this beautiful flower at eye level, which I think would be a great focal point, and the begonia below that's gonna bush out and be a big bunch of red. And this white begonia, so I'm going to take this begonia and I'm going to put it here on this stand so that as it fills out, this would be a nice lily white flower right here. And I think it will contrast really well with the purple petunias. In fact, my plan is to, I don't know if you guys know, but these petunia flowers actually produce seeds. I don't know if you guys ever knew that, but I learned that yesterday evening. I'm like, does this plant produce flowers? So I took this. Let me put you guys in a tripod so that so we could get it to focus here. So I took this and the flower that dried, so that's gone. This flower pod that's in here. Oh, the seeds blew away. I don't mind having wild petunias. Look at that. That has to be at least 50 seeds in a pod. Look at that, guys, if not more. So if you have petunia plants that you have in your hanging baskets and you want to have seeds for next year, you can wait till those flowers dry back and those pods in the center dry back, and you're going to have your own petunia seeds for the next year. So you don't have to keep buying starts. And that's good. That's great. So I'm gonna last night my research said that these seeds need light to germinate, so you just sprinkle it on the top of the soil and it grows. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll have lots and lots of petunia flowers to plant everywhere. Oh wow, I can't even get these seeds picked up. Just sprinkle it all in there. Just press it into the soil and see what comes up. So these two remaining pots, that's what I want to put into them. I want to put, if I get those petunia flowers, to those seeds to germinate, I'm going to fill them up with these and I'm going to add them to this hanging arrangement to distract from all that's going on there and to add these pops of color that I so desperately want. Guys, that's all I did this afternoon in the garden. I said you might enjoy being with me. I certainly enjoyed having your company. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Be sure to hit that notification bell, guys, so that you'll be notified every time that I post a video. And share the videos so that other persons can see that growing in the Caribbean, even though it's challenging, it's quite rewarding and quite fun. Until the next time, guys. Bye. Take care.
Bye.